Hello kids! Today I draw some fruit with the juicer machine. Okay, so let's start drawing. First, I draw a pineapple. First, I draw the leaves and then oval shape. This isn't pineapple. Draw some lines. And now I draw an apple. And then the leaf. In the third, I draw a juicer blender. I put all the fruits in it and make a shake. This is a juicer blender. Do you want to draw a juicer blender? Yeah, you want to draw. There is a strawberry in the juicer machine. And I make a strawberry shake. And now I draw some grapes. Just draw many circles. Circle, circle, circle. Circle. And then one more circle. After grapes drying, I draw an orange. Which fruit is your favorite? Tell me in comment box. And now, in the last, I draw a pineapple. Sorry. I draw a watermelon. Do you like watermelon? There is a beans. Okay, friends, I have done my drawing. And now, I start coloring. This is a green color. Actually, the pineapple is in yellow color, but there are some pineapple who is in brown color. The outer covering of the pineapple is brown, so that's why I'm doing the brown color. And this is the red color for the apple.
One by one, you go first. Plop in. Plop in. Now we are all together in the pot.
Brown color. And this is the purple color for the grapes.
Hurry on now.
And now I'm doing orange color in orange. This sound looks funny. The orange color in orange. Okay. And this is a sky blue color. This is a cap of the juicer machine.
One by one, you go first. Plop in. Plop in. Now we are all together in the pot. Together we are hot. Together.
And now I'm start coloring in strawberry the red color. Wow, this looks yummy. Yay, the green color.
Together in the pot. Together we are hot. Together we are not alone. Or sad, or scared, or whatever.
And now
One by one, you go
I'm
first.
doing the purple color.
Plop in.
This is a red color for the watermelon. Shake, shake, show.
Together
Shake, shack, show. Happy ya, habibi. Happy ya, yo. Shake, shack, show.
or whatever.
Yay! I have done my drawing.